Example 7.2. A pure inductor of 25 millihenry is connected to a source of 220 volt. Find the inductive reactance and RMS current in the circuit if the frequency of the source is 50 Hz. Okay. What are the given values? Inductance, L is given, right? 25 millihenry. Convert into Henry. Milli means 10 to the power minus 3 Henry. Voltage. Voltage is, see, a source of 220 volt. I already told when it is given like this is VRMS. VRMS is 220 volt. Frequency of 50 Hertz. See the unit, linear frequency is given. Okay. What we have to find out? First one, we have to calculate inductive reactance, XL. Formula, XL equal to omega L, where omega equal to 2 pi FL. That is 2 pi, frequency 50, L value 25 into 10 to the power minus 3. If you simplify, you are getting 100 pi into 0.025 or 2.5 pi, nearly 7.85. What's the unit for XL? Ohm resistance. Okay. We'll go for the second part of the question. What is RMS current? This is across inductor. So, voltage equal to I into XL, right? So, IRMS equal to VRMS divided by XL. VRMS is given as 220 and XL we got here 7.85. If you simplify, you are getting nearly 28 ampere.